So this was our interlude. This is. I mean, we were just supposed to be having an interlude, and I handed you this because it's here and I'm liking it. And you pressed go.
So this is something, I don't know what it is, but in the break that we were just having, I said it smells of bodies. It smells bodily, of skin. And the more I smell it, the more human it is smelling. Okay.
Well, here's the thing. I wish I had a copy of the book Chocolat here with me, because it's sort of inspired by, well, it's a part of a perfume. This particular one, there was one I made called A Banner Unfurls, which is, it has similarities, but it's also got rose and more chocolate and more spices in it, which is the point at which the priest in Chocolat completely loses it and starts to imagine what the chocolate shop smells like. And then he imagines, so his favourite smell is, and this is the priest, right? The point where the hair meets the skin on the back of a woman's neck. So, as Joanne Harris said, he was a very bad priest. He was totally in the wrong job. He shouldn't have been imagining this at all, but this is how he imagines the devil is reaching out to him. But in the book Peaches for Monsieur le Curé, he, spoiler alert, he at one point gets captured and imprisoned in a basement. And he's accused of setting fire to something. And he is... it's kind of the aromas that he can smell. With the situation where he's...
I'm getting some incensey type smoke here.
Yeah. So there's the incensey part, there's the actual burning part. There is... I've used a lot of gurgeon balsam. I have this theory about gurgeon balsam, which is that it works like a natural ISO-E super. So that you can add it enhances the other fragrances. You can't smell it very much, and it lasts a long time. So I've been using that, and I use it in this. So it has Periplucker, which is a Chinese silk vine that smells to me like half-cooked pastry. Because also you've got Vianne there, who's taken over a house, belonging to a friend of hers, and she's doing a lot of baking. There's a peach tree in the garden. There's all this intrigue and badness going on, and accusations and human failings and bonfires. So it's sort of work in progress, but I can't decide whether it's finished or not. I can't decide whether it's part of my trio of fragrances that I will get round to launching next year, because mostly they exist in my head and they keep changing shape. But one of them is the sort of total escapism, being wrapped up almost in cotton wool clouds, in light and loveliness, and not knowing anything terrible that's going on at all. One of them is, okay, we have a problem, let's get to work and let's get sorted out. So you've got like the scientists and the accountants all trying to see if they can fix everything that's going wrong with the world. That's basically what hell is like. It's just full of people who are really cool but working really hard all the time to get stuff done. It's their responsibility. They take the responsibility. They're not trying to escape from it. They're trying to fix everything. Whereas up in heaven, it's like, no, I don't want to know. And then the earth, where people are mostly wandering around oblivious while the demons are trying to just keep it all together. But when things keep going wrong on earth, and this is sort of one of those, I want it to be very kind of grounded in reality,
really like
but a certain amount of obliviousness.
This is a brilliant thing. I love it.
Thank you. So that is occurring, and but I can't rush it.
No.
I've got to take time with this. Plus, I've got a book to finish in the meantime.
Well, this does feel like it could be an accord in one of those.
It does, but I keep wearing it and it keeps feeling... And it's safe at 100% strength.
Really?
So, yeah. So, theoretically, I could just wear it.
Can I wear some?
Yes.
Do I just do it like that?
Yeah, if you like. Yeah. I'm very fond of it. I don't often just...
We're allowed to do that.
Yeah, you're allowed to do whatever you like.
There you go.
Yeah, within reason.
Wow, that's good.
Thank you. So
More than
this
good.
is all there is at the moment.
I've never smelled anything like it, actually.
And that is got to be my aim for all of three of these.
Yeah,
it's got to be the
that is-
I'm going back to the not just the I want to do one of these in a different way from other people. I just want to go, no, nobody's ever done that before ever.
It's different every time I smell it. Goodness, that's really special.
I want
that
to
is.
create 3 fragrances that are just like, sorry, I just don't know what's happening. What's happening? What am I smelling? I don't
It's
know.
really cool.
I want to, and yes, it's fine to rub your wrists together. I won't break the molecules. Yeah. And this is what people used to do before we had sprays. Everybody just used to dab. And it used to occur.
That is so good. It's just getting better and better and better the more I smell it.
Thank you, Arthur. Well,
It's one of those things where this is what I mean. This is okay. Often when people wear perfume, you smell them and you go, "That's a nice perfume you smell."
Yeah.
Of this, when I smell it, I can imagine going, "You smell nice." It's almost like you can't tell it's a perfume. It's just a
part of the projection from the skin.
yeah. It's like you would be forgiven for going, How does your skin smell so nice? Yeah. Do you know what I mean by that?
I do, and I think that's what I was aiming for without knowing that was what I was aiming for. And now that you've mentioned it, I know that they have to be like that.
Wow, I'm excited about this era.
Good.
I'm really excited
Yeah,
about
I
this era.
feel like probably been, I don't know, 10 years since I did something it's since The Crimes of Passion, which was 2015.
Wow.
So, I know. I feel like I'm winding myself back up again for like, this is what I need
For
to do
another big
now.
project. I mean, these projects for you are, I mean, obviously, you're also a novelist, so I guess, it's not saying your version of a novel, because you are a novelist, but it's like a novel.
I'm a novellerist.
Novellerist.
I never really wrote a big one. But yeah.
But like these are, when you do these big projects, they're like you're writing a novel. It's like they're not short stories, they're not sketches or quick pieces of art. Like they are long-term, very thought through, researched. They're novels.
And edited and revised.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do quite a lot of short stories.
Yeah, you do.
And they do what they're for. And I'm generally quite content with them because that is a separate art form, I'd say. Oof, yeah. I'm disappearing up my own interior.
No, I don't think you are.
Yeah. But that's what I want to do.
Wow. Big fan.
Good, thank you. Well, if you need, I can decant you a little and you can take it with
Can
you.
I take a 2.5ml tester bottle?
Yes, you can.
That's really, really special.
Thank you, Arthur.
Bye-bye.
Bye.